Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share how we leveraged NisusAI to create a powerful generative AI assistant. First, let's talk about NisusAI. This platform provides the backbone for our AI assistant, offering advanced generative AI capabilities. Function Pool Module. This module allows you to store, test, and edit your services. You can create interactive AI assistants with real-time data. You can generate new entries in your database with your assistants. Let's add the service that provides movies currently showing in theaters. Give it a name and description so the model can recognize the function. Now, enter the service's connection details and parameters. Test the service to ensure it is working correctly. Once confirmed, save it and move on. Now let's add the IMDb rating service. Give it a name and description so the model can recognize the function. Now, enter the service's connection details and parameters. Test the service to ensure it is working correctly again. Once confirmed, save it and start creating the prompt. Prompt Storage Module. Here, you can store and edit your prompts. You can quickly write prompts using templates or the AI Prompt Support Assistant. Connect with models to test in real time and make accurate adjustments. Let's create a prompt. First, give the prompt a name. Now, select the functions we just created. Write the prompt that we prepared here. Now, connect it to the model we want to use and set the parameters. We're ready now. Let's ask a few questions to test it. And the performance looks quite good. We have completed this stage as well. Congratulations! Assistant Deployment Module. Quickly deploy your project using your prepared prompt and document. Receive an endpoint to connect, and manage all future modifications independently from this module. Let's finish this up. Create a new deployment and give it a name. Now, choose the well-tested prompt. And select our functions for the model to call as needed. Finally, we have created our assistant. Now, You can call your AI assistant from any project with a single request. For example, if you integrate it with a WhatsApp project, you can get movie information with just a few messages when you feel like going to the cinema. If you also want to create AI assistants this quickly, get in touch with us today.